a couple of branches I picked up that fell down in the windstorm. Fire pit, and those are tomato peelings in there because that's where I put them, because I don't live on a farm and I can't feed them to the hogs, but I can put them in the fire pit. So gotta break those up in manageable. Firestarters. Here we go. And there she is, blazing away. As you see, it went out. Probably because there's a lot of green twigs in there. That's how fires are. If they don't have enough dry stuff to eat, they will go out. I can hear it crackling, so some of the coals did go down the bottom. I broke up sticks a little bit smaller, and it is still raining. But here's another fire starter. We're gonna go put this one looks like the little bomb, and we're gonna put this in the fire. But there it is, and the surrounding stuff is catching on, and it is raining. Editing some of the video I shot before where I was breaking branches and stuff, and to be fair, I said I better come back out and do another video showing what does the fire pit look like now. And as you can see, the branches have burned down quite significantly. It is still raining and it is still burning. So Tera, you are a complete success with your fire starter.